Hey guys, welcome. This is Uday Kumar. In this session, we will see how to install Groovy on Windows Server. In previous session, we have discussed the prerequisites that are required to install Groovy, right? So, what is the prerequisite? We need to have Java installed in our system before we install Groovy, because Groovy is built on top of Java. So, to install Groovy, we need to have Java installed in our system. Groovy doesn't come along with Java. We need to install Java separately and Groovy separately. So, the prerequisite is install Java for installing Groovy, and we need to set the variables, environment variables. Java So how do you set the environment variables, Java home and path variable? For that, we need to go to the properties of my computer. In advanced system settings, under environment variables, you can see that the environment variables Java home and path. I have already set these variables in my system. Java home is set to the home directory of my JDK installation, and path is set to the bin directory of my JDK installation. This is required because when Groovy is installed, when we install Groovy, it will check for these two variables. By using these two variables, it will be able to find out the location of JDK installation. So these are the prerequisites before you install Groovy. Let me show you the version that I have Java I have installed. In my system, I have already installed 1.8 version of Java, and have already set the Java home and path variables. Now I have met the prerequisites that are required to install Groovy. So now I can go ahead and install Groovy in my system. To install Groovy, let's go to the official website of Groovy. So we are in the home page of official website of Groovy. Go to the download section. Here you can see the latest stable version. This is a binary version. Go to scroll down to the bottom. Here you would see the current all the Groovy versions and their respective Java versions that needs to be installed. So since we have installed 1.8 version, we can go ahead and install Groovy 3 version. This is 2.4, 2.5, 3.0.7 distributions. This is binary. We are not interested in binary. Since we are on Windows, let's go ahead and download the installer. See, this is here you can see, go back. Here you can see all the versions of Groovy that have been released so far, and it started with 2.3.4, and I think the current version is 4.0.0 alpha versions. So never go for alpha, beta, and RC versions. They are not stable versions. So let's pick 3.0.1 version. This will start downloading. I'm pausing this video till the download completes. Yeah, download is done. Let's go ahead and install Groovy in our system. I have 3.0.7 already downloaded, so I'm installing this version of Groovy. Right click and click on install. Next, agree the license. Next, go with the typical features, default one. This may take some time. Now the Groovy has been installed on your system. Click the finish button to complete the installation process. Now that Groovy has been installed in our system, to verify if it is installed or not, go ahead and check the version of Groovy from the terminal. Let's see the version that of Groovy that has been installed in our system. Let's close this terminal and open again. Here you could see that Groovy 3.0.7 version has been successfully installed in our system. Now that we have completed the installation part, let's see if Groovy shell has been, here we have Groovy shell available. Let's try to print some statement using the Groovy shell. This would be the script we are going to write. Hit enter. See, here we can see the output. Welcome to Groovy. The script has been executed. So we can use this shell prompt of Groovy to write our script as well. But we don't use this normally. Generally, we take help of IDEs and we do write the scripts. Okay. This is the installation part. In the next session, we will see how to add a Groovy plugins to IntelliJ IDE and Eclipse IDE. Thank you.